Hi and welcome, James Merchant here from Impact Realty Group, and welcome to our latest market update. It's been some time since we last have educated you on the marketplace with our last market update back in July. A lot to take you through, so looking forward to discussing all this with you. So what a year it has been. Obviously with COVID, we were forced into stage 4 lockdowns from early August. Thankfully for our industry, we resumed early October. And one of the biggest trends I've noticed back out in the field is the out of area buyers. They're just streaming down the Mornington Peninsula. It is becoming the highest demand hotspot. A lot of trends, regional pockets in Victoria also performing very well. So Mornington Peninsula, regional pockets, Geelong. It's great news for all the homeowners down here as the city buyers stream down our way. Just to verify the demand, let's look at Mount Eliza. Mount Eliza for the month of October increased by 2.2% to now have a median home price of $1,275,000. Who would have thought for the year to date, 2020, Mount Eliza has increased by 7.1%. So that's fantastic news for all homeowners in the Mount Eliza marketplace. Now let's look at the Frankston South market. Frankston South increased by 2.3% for the month of October to now have a median price of $893,000. Again, similar to Mount Eliza, Frankston South has increased 9.3% for the year to date, 2020. Another great result and fantastic for all home owners in the Frankston South marketplace. Okay, so let's look at some results for the month of October just to verify this demand. 416 Canadian Bay Road in Mount Eliza, we had over 50 private appointments for this property. It was listed at 1.05 to 1.1. We had multiple offers, 4 in total, and it sold 62,500 above the advertised range. That was actually a local buyer. 70% of those private inspections were buyers coming out of town, but fortunately it was sold to a local buyer looking to upgrade. Another example, 22 Queen's Parade in Mount Eliza, advertised for 1.15 to 1.2. In the space of 3 days, we booked 35 private appointments. That again sold above the range at $1,225,000. So a fantastic result for the owners. Just one recently in Frankston South, 4 Kirkstall Close, advertised for 2.4 to 2.6. We just got that property now under contract. A fantastic result for the vendor. So what we are really noticing is the stream of out of area buyers moving down the peninsula. So COVID, a lot of people were saying, James, I'll get now the flexibility to work from home 2 to 3 days a week. So that's one of the reasons why they are looking to come down. Secondly, obviously wanting to get out of the congestion. A lot of developments further uptown, they're just wanting lifestyle properties for themselves and their families. Those are the 2 main reasons why many buyers are streaming down from out of area onto the Mornington Peninsula. Obviously with our large active buyer database, we've successfully sold properties off market as well for our vendors. 31 Mather Road in Mount Eliza, 38 Mather Road in Mount Eliza, 40 Winona Road in Mount Eliza. So 3 properties that didn't even hit the market. With our very large active buyer database, each of those properties we took many buyers through. Again, multiple offers and fantastic results for our vendors. So in our last video back in July, we talked about the bullish case scenario for real estate and also the bearish case scenario. I was more leaning to the bullish case scenario, purely of government intervention and low interest rates. Yesterday, we've just seen another interest rate cut of 15 basis points. Who would have thought the cash rate now at 0.1%? That is quite unbelievable. Hopefully the banks look to pass these on, but now homeowners, 2.5% in terms of the average home loan rate. Who would have thought that? So investors are now starting to come in for the first time in history. You can actually buy an investment property which will actually pay you more than what it cost you. That we have never seen in history. Obviously the low interest rates make it more affordable for homeowners and ease of payment. So the continued support from the government, low interest rates, and the bounce back in the economy and the consumer confidence, I would expect the growth down the peninsula to continue. Yes, it might be a little bit difficult further uptown, but we are holding up extremely well, and I would expect, like I said before, the regional pockets also to see a strong demand. The other interesting point is a lot of Victorians looking to make the move up to Queensland, so that's another trend. So I've come across a number of vendors that are looking to make the move. So it's quite interesting what's happened with COVID and the trends that have since followed. Very interesting, and I hope you have found this useful. If you are thinking of selling or buying, feel free to give us a call, 0433 480 870. I would love to help you out.